Buenos días a todos. Enseguida voy a cambiar al inglés, pero antes que nada, en nombre de la Fundación Valenciaport, queremos agradecerles a todos ustedes su asistencia y su presencia hoy en esta demostración pública del proyecto Greencranes. Así que sin más, bienvenidos, and also a very warm welcome to our guests coming from out of Spain. On behalf of the Valenciaport Foundation, we really appreciate your effort to be here today with us. I'm José Giménez, Technical Director of the Greencranes project at the Valenciaport Foundation. And before starting with the demonstration day that we have today, I would like to introduce the companies that have been involved in some way or another in these two pilots, the Eco-RTC retrofitting and the LNG prototype terminal tractor. Not only the Greencranes partners, but also many external companies have shown their interest in participating in this project. This is a very positive message because it demonstrates the interest of the industry in integrating the eco-efficiency concepts in port container terminals. So for those companies, thank you very much for sharing your knowledge, your expertise, and your innovation capabilities with us. So we don't think that sustainability is a fashion. We think it is one of the main drivers to keep and to increase the competitiveness of the European ports. So we start with a presentation with Noatum, leaders in shipping, port logistics, and port operations. Noatum has been leading the two pilots during the whole development of the project, the Eco-RTC retrofitting pilot and the LNG prototype terminal tractor. And also a special mention to Noatum Container Terminal Valencia, because the people from the terminal have been very involved from the very beginning of the project and have provided all their support. The Port Authority of Valencia, it is the administrative management body in charge of the management of the ports of Valencia, Sagunto and Gandia. For nearly 15 years, the Port Authority has been encouraging and supporting sustainability in these three ports. Proof of that is the great amount of projects developed by the Port Authority, innovation and coordination projects. In this sense, for example, today, the Green Berth project, it's a very complementary project to Greencranes because Greencranes is more focused on the land side of container terminals, and Green Berth is very focused on the sea-land interface. The Port Authority have participated in Greencranes, giving the regulatory framework to adapt the activity of supplying LNG as a fuel and adapting this activity in the regulatory framework of the normatives that affects port container terminals. We follow with ABB, an international leader company in electrical engineering and automation. ABB has provided valuable knowledge and assessment in the evaluation of different eco-efficient alternatives for the RTC retrofitting. In the same way, Greencranes, world leader in lifting business, in all kinds of industries, transport, and of course in ports and logistics. They have also provided their knowledge and engineering capabilities in the eco-retrofitting RTC crane. And then we start with those external companies that have been very involved in Greencranes. Alfa-Lan, the Spanish leader company in logistics and handling equipment, they have provided their support to the LNG terminal tractor in all the deployment of this machine at Noatum. Terberg, which is the manufacturer of this prototype, not only the LNG machine, but also the most advanced diesel terminal tractor in the market. You will see today both machines operating live. We follow with Gas Natural, the Spanish energy supplier, both electricity and fuel. Gas Natural, with more than 20 million customers, they have been providing the LNG for our prototype. Cummins Westport, which is the global leader in gas engines for automotive applications, they have provided the most suitable engine for the LNG prototype also. And HAM, the Spanish leader company in global natural gas solutions with regasification plants and all kinds of services related to natural gas, since transport, distribution, and commercialization of LNG. They also have provided the mobile LNG refueling station that you will also see today here. And finally, but not less important, some other companies like Paceco, which have been very involved in the evaluation alternatives of the Noatum business cases related to the EcoRTC retrofitting, and Vale and Conductix as world leaders in electrification mobile systems, which have participated in the evaluation of the business case of yard electrification of Noatum. So after these presentations, we start with the first demonstration pilot results, which refers to the EcoRTC retrofitting. I give the floor to Angel Merida from ABB, which is head of crane and marine units in ABB. Thank you, Angel.